Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix EAFC24 DirectX error, that is 20 in the 2024, right, which you can see over your screen. Now if your graphic card or driver get crashed or fail, how you can fix it, especially DirectX. The very first thing is that run your game in a Windows mode. So whenever you are just playing the game, run your game in the Windows mode. If you don't know how to change into Windows mode, it's really easy. In your keyboard, you have to press Alt plus Enter key at the same time, and it will turn into a Windows mode. And if you just press it once again, it will be get into back to the full screen. The second thing is that update your graphics driver. So of course, this is not a issue of the game. This is a issue of your drivers. Ensure your graphic card driver are up to date. So to do this here, for example, I use NVIDIA. So I have GeForce Experience here. Now, usually I get on my, I have an app for it, which I can go to the driver section here, click on check for updates, and I can download it. Right. The third thing is that check DirectX installation. Make sure you have the latest version of DirectX installation. You can download it from the official Microsoft website. Now, these are the solution, and if this doesn't work out, then let's say that this is FC24. Right click on it, right? Or let's say this is a here. Right click on it, and you will get this option of show more option. Then just go to the properties. Once you go to the properties, then somewhere here you will find this option run as run this program as an administrator. So you have to click on it and click on apply and then okay. So generally it's happen, or you can also play it like this: right click on it and click on run as administrator, and you have to press on yes, right? And if you have any antivirus or anti-malware, then you have to turn it off, right? And reinstall the game. The last solution is that just go here, click on install, or right click on it, go to the manager and install this game, and then install it once again. But this will be a long term. This will take a lot of time, so make sure you apply this method at the last. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.